Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the Amanda Adventurer VHS tapes that you see in my YouTube shorts.
The items that you will need to make this work is a VCR player, an empty VHS tape, old box TV, HDM66 RF modulator converter, 2 color cables,
and a laptop or a computer monitor.
First, what you need to do is plug in the HDMI into the laptop or computer monitor, then plug in the other side to your HDM66 modulator converter. Next, plug in your other color cords into the old box TV. Next, plug in the other side into the VCR.
Next, put in the empty tape into the VCR, then find the video that you want to put on the VHS tape.
After all of that, you need to do is play the video on your monitor, then hurry, press the record button on the VCR. Press the stop button on the VCR.
Voila! You have the video that you played on the VHS tape. Thank you guys for watching this video.